In this video, I'll be showing you how you can adjust your notification settings on FlashScore app. So it's very simple and easy. So to do this, let's try to move to our account and then we try to change our notification for goals, lineups and all that. So let's tap on the top right corner of our screen. You can see your account there with a setting behind the search button. So we tap on that. Good. So after tapping on that, you can see notification settings, the first option here. Let's tap on that. Good. So here we have access to edit a lot of stuff here. So we can just turn this off and turn it on like that. So automatically you have this on match notification. So if you start any of the players or any of the teams, then anytime they're about to play, you're going to get a notification. So here, let's come here and now let's move to football. So I think most of us, football is something we like. So here we can edit all of that. So when you have the match notification turned on here, let me come here. When you have match notification turned on here, that's it. You can do all these edits and add them. So if a match is about to start, you can, get a reminder like 15 minutes prior to that or 30 minutes or anything like that. And you get also notification on lineup and the match start. Sometimes it's a whistle and a goal. You get a goal and notification, goal scorer, you get the goal scorer notification as well, cards, red card, yellow card and all that, halftime and all that. You're going to get all that. So if you want all these notifications, you can just turn them on. You get it? Yeah. And all this is going to take effect on teams you follow, teams you start, something like that. So you can also change the sound of the notifications too as well. So now let's come back here and you can see notification sound. So we are going to select the notification sound from your mobile phone. So you just need to allow that. After that, you tap on the select sound and something like this. They are going to take the sound from your mobile phone. So you tap on the sound here and then you glance through this sound. So this is a South Korean phone, that's why. But then you can use this. You can use this here. You can see FlashScore have their notification and the whistle there. So you can select any of them. So let me select this and let me tap on OK. So automatically I'll be using their notification. You get it? Yes. So that's it on how you adjust your notifications on FlashScore. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to do well to give you guys an answer on that. So that's it for the video. Peace.